Hey people! Yesterday we had that whole holding a mombatti and standing in the balcony thing. So I don't know, there was so much excitement in the air after that for a long time I kept awake. I was awake till like 12, I think, and then uske baad by like yeah, pretty much 5 in the morning I've woken up. So it's just 5 hours of sleep. So I'm just still pretty drowsy, and no, so I'm so happy to have been part of something so historic. I mean, these things don't happen always, right? So, people, I really need to say this, yeah, that the reason I set up this channel is so that in the actual sense, want to share my life with you folks. Yeah, I mean, because I personally really enjoy all these vlogs, and they take us through their day, and there's so many of these vloggers, right? So I hope to do the same, but I realize it's important to even speak sense sometimes. So no, part of my speaking sense series includes like I say, this beautiful, this, you all should check it out. Yeah, Happy Science, you all can do a Google search. I mean, sometimes, like, see, Isha Yoga, until we've heard Sadhguru speak and all, we people would have got scared. Who's this bearded man, from India, who's especially since we've got a reputation of, whatever, certain people being very this what like, apparently Sadhguru doesn't like the word godman, because that itself is very thing. So no, reason I'm saying all this is Happy Science. On Google they say it's a cult. It's not a cult. Yeah, it's like the Isha Yoga of Japan. And in that, there is this, see, like I said, I'll keep speaking about a certain book, by the Happy Science organization. So there's this book called Serenity Within, and it's about just finding that serenity within, and not letting any external circumstance ruin it for us. Like, there are these lines that I've read in through the Happy Science literature that opens your brain. Yeah, like, for instance, did you know this, that a grudge stands outside time? As in, grudges are such that if you hold a grudge, it remains for, so that's what you can ponder over this line. A grudge stands outside time. So, I mean, if only we understand the meaning of this one line, it helps make sense of the world, in terms of the wars that happen, the so much of crimes and all of that. But so I'll allow you all to ponder over it. And on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.